Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Himani. So this is your March month affirmation. March has started. So let's see what is the positive affirmations universe is telling you to recite for the month of March as per your zodiac sign. So let's see affirmations for new subscribers. Affirmations are positive thoughts which when we recite 5 times a day we'll get the positive vibrations and universe listens to our prayers. So before starting, if you are new to my channel, please press the bell icon for new video notifications and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video with your friends and family so that they can also take these affirmations guidance and have positivity in their life. I will put down timestamp of each zodiac sign so you can check yours and you can use it, recite it, keep it in front of your desk so that you get the vibrations of that affirmation. For any personalized assistance, all my social media handles will be there so you can reach out to me, follow my Insta, Facebook page and connect with me. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First zodiac sign is Aries, Mesh Rashi. Let's see the affirmation. Okay. So for Aries, the affirmation is I radiate kindness and I'm free at all judgment, comparisons, and expectations. So you radiate kindness and you are free from all people's judgment, comparisons, and expectations. So that doesn't bother you. You radiate kindness and you follow what your heart says. So all the best, Aries. Let us move ahead with Taurus. Let's see the affirmation. Okay. So Taurus, for you the affirmation is my body and my feelings are valid. My body and my feelings are valid. So both your body and feelings are connected. So it is valid. So if you are in love, your body movements and your feelings are valid. So keep on reciting this. My body and my feelings are valid. So Taurus, very beautiful affirmation. Good for you. Keep reciting. All the best. So let us move ahead with the next zodiac, Gemini. Let's see the affirmation. Okay. Gemini, for you, the affirmation is I am not perfect and that's okay. I am not perfect and that's okay. So everybody is not perfect. So you should not feel disheartened. That is why this affirmation is for you, Gemini. I am not perfect and that's okay. I am not perfect and that's okay. I'm not perfect and that's okay. Keep reciting this and see the changes, Gemini. All the best. So let us move ahead with Cancer, Kark Rashi. Let's see the affirmation. Okay. So Cancerians, your affirmation is I am stronger than any challenge, for I know that the universe has my back. I am stronger than any challenge, for I know that the universe has my back. Beautiful affirmation, Cancer. Don't feel alone. Keep on reciting this. I am stronger than any challenge, for I know that the universe has my back. All the best. Move ahead to Leo. Let's see the affirmation. Okay, so Leo, for you, the affirmation is money comes to me easily and effortlessly. So you don't feel stressed or you don't feel that enough hard work but no result. So your money comes to you easily and effortlessly. Keep reciting this, Leo. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Beautiful affirmation, Leo. All the best. Let's move on to Virgo, Kanya Rashi. Let's see the affirmation. Okay, Virgo, for you, affirmation is I use money in wise, fun ways. I use money in wise, fun ways. So you don't overspend it, you use it very wisely and in a very fun way. So I use money in wise, fun ways. I use money in wise, fun ways. Beautiful affirmation, Virgo. All the best. Chaliye, let's move on to Libra. Let's see the affirmation. So Libra, for you, the affirmation is sweet, short and simple. I am complete. Sweet, short, and simple. I am complete. So don't feel alone. Don't feel that you are lonely. So you are complete with the universe. I am complete. I am complete. Keep on reciting this, Libra. All the best. Chaliye, let us move ahead with Scorpio. So for Scorpio, the affirmation is I am in charge of my own self worth. I am in charge of my own self worth. I am in charge of my own self worth. So self worth is important, Scorpio. Keep on reciting this. I am in charge of my own self worth. All the best, Scorpio. Let us move ahead with Sagittarians. Let's see the affirmation. So for Sagittarians, the affirmation is I am grateful to be alive and live this day. So this is wonderful affirmation. You have to feel that you are alive each day. Keep on praying to the universe. I am grateful to be alive and live this day. Life is unpredictable. So you have to recite this affirmation that when you wake up and you are alive, everything is good. So I am grateful to be alive and live this day. I am grateful to be alive and live this day. All the best, Sagittarians. Let us see affirmation for Capricorn. Let's see what universe is guiding. Okay, so Capricorn, for you the affirmation is I am creating my brilliant reality with every powerful word and thought. I am creating my brilliant reality with every powerful word and thought. I am creating my brilliant reality with every powerful word and thought. So all the best, Capricorn. Let's move on to Aquarius, the second last zodiac sign. Let's see the affirmation. Okay, very short and sweet. I am limitless. I am limitless. I am limitless. Very short and sweet affirmation for Aquarius. I am limitless. I am limitless. I am limitless. So, all the best, Aquarius. Keep on reciting this. You will see the infinity power on you. All the best. The last zodiac sign, Pisces. Let's see the affirmation. Okay. So, Pisces, for you, the affirmation is today I create a wonderful new day and a wonderful new future. Today I create a wonderful new day and a wonderful new future. Today I create a wonderful new day and a wonderful new future. You will have a wonderful future, Pisces. All the best. So I hope these affirmations will bring positivity in your life, and may March month brings new hopes, new beginnings. So all the best, everyone. Take care. Have a great month ahead. See you. Bye bye.